It's not very heavy.
I think you can let it go now. No.
You think? Goodbye.
I don't know why. I think that's just.
Jackie and Brian.
Oh shit! It's gonna burn our neighbor's house down.
It's okay. It's gonna go. It'll be okay. Trust me. It's going to waft its way. See, there it goes. There it goes. It's going out over to the ocean. I sure hope so.
It's headed for the ugly house.
You're gonna set Holden Beach on fire. It's a Holocaust. It's a Holden Beach Holocaust. Oh my gosh.
I bet there's be some very upset people.
It's going out over the ocean. It'll be fine. It'll be fine.
Is that the police?
The police. Oh my gosh, it's awesome. The way it goes.